So, when we're given the project, it's when, hello, that's me. So we're given the project to transition from the one end to the other, from A to B, and, I thought of it as landscape, but then I also wanted to, I was going to just create, the solid landscape with changing, and then after I got to, I was over here, and then I went back so that I could create, instead of just solid landscape, I thought more in terms of structure in the landscape, so the intervention being, so this is like my intervention into a landscape. So I made the landscape first of all, I did the cut and fill, and I created the natural curves and lumps and cuts and fills of the landscape, and then I wanted to create, I transitioned to this rectilinear sweep that was to represent structure, and it was the straight edges, a building, and intervention into the landscape, and so that's why this is no longer curved, and it's it still kind of creates the curve, but it is rectangular in essence. And also something that I concentrated on a lot when I was making this was the creation of spaces that had a lot to do with the idea of structural intervention. So whether it was from the structure or from the landscape, this space, this really deep crevice that actually goes really far in here, it's actually so far that you don't even see the farthest point from looking at it. So I created that so that there's this space here, and then I have this space created from the fanning of the structure. There's this space and dip here, and then on the back end of it, there's another space here, whether it's for, I don't know, it's not a real thing, so but there's, I don't know, that was the idea I played with space. Here, here, here are the main spaces. And then I had to take it past 12 inches, it's 15, because I wanted to settle this in a gentle, easy way so that it would make this intervention stick out more, rather than if I had another one of these natural, it's like another focal point. So I didn't want that. I wanted to balance it out easily, so that it just would be normal, then focal point intervention. Whereas I still wanted to do the interesting landscape for one part of it.